Hello. Good morning to everyone. Today we are discussing the VeChain's partnership with the UFC fight. And what is this UFC fight championship? It is the Ultimate Fighting Championship is an American mixed martial arts promotion company based in the Las Vegas, Nevada. It is owned and operated by Zofa, a wholly owned subsidiary of Endeavor Group Holdings. It is the largest MMA promotion company in the world as of 2011, founded in November 1993, and the president is Dana White. So let us see what it says. VeChain becomes the first official layer 1 blockchain partner of UFC, San Marino and Las Vegas. UFC, the world's premier mixed martial arts organization, and VeChain, the leading global sustainability focused blockchain foundation, today announced a first of its kind long-term partnership that breaks marketing ground for both brands. VeChain will become UFC's first ever official Layer 1 blockchain partner, providing the blockchain foundation with an unprecedented level of integration into key UFC assets, ranging from live events including broadcast features and in-arena promotion, to original content distribution through UFC's popular digital and social channels. Through UFC's far-reaching global footprint, VeChain will have meaningful brand visibility within an estimated 900 million TV households in 175 countries that receives UFC's broadcasts. It is a historical moment when VeChain, the Layer 1 public blockchain with the most enterprise adoption, joins forces with the fastest growing sport to raise awareness that blockchain technology is critical in helping deliver major global objectives such as sustainability, said the CEO of VeChain. This is just the beginning of a multi-year relationship with the UFC, and we really look forward to changing the world together. VeChain is a globally recognized leader in blockchain technology, and we could not be happier to welcome them as an official marketing partner of UFC's. This was told by the Senior Vice President of Global Partnerships, UFC. VeChain's expertise in using real-world blockchain applications to help the public and private sector achieve their carbon neutral goals is an effort we are proud to support. We are looking forward to working with the VeChain to leverage UFC's worldwide popularity to promote a positive message that blockchain technology can be used to protect our environment for future generations. VeChain is a pioneer of real-world blockchain applications with international offices in Luxembourg, Japan, China, Singapore, France, Italy, Ireland, San Marino, and the United States. Strong independent developmental capabilities combined with the professional compliance guidance of strategic partnership partners PwC and DNV has seen VeChain establish partnerships with many leading enterprises including Walmart, Bayer, BMW Group, BYD Auto, LVMH, and more. The VeChain Thor public blockchain is unique in that its technologies have been adopted commercially at enterprise and government levels across various industries. Their technology has the power to radically transform the global economy by greatly enhancing data transparency and security, while facilitating unprecedented collaboration using trustless data enabled by the blockchain. In addition, VeChain Thor is mainstreaming applications across industries ranging from sustainability, carbon management, supply chain and logistics, medicine, energy, and others. Branded integrations and entitlements. As UFC's first ever official Layer 1 blockchain partner, VeChain will receive one of the deepest integrations within premier UFC's assets of any sponsor in the UFC history. First, VeChain will own UFC's official fighter ranking titles, UFC ranking powered by VeChain. This unique and new integration offers VeChain incredible visibility across live broadcasts of UFC's biggest events, its pay-per-view, as well as UFC's digital and social channels. The integration also provides VeChain with a strong association with one of the most important companies of UFC, matchmaking the fighter rankings. VeChain's prominence at UFC's live events will be reinforced with the two additional high visibility activations. VeChain will have a branded presence inside UFC's world famous Octagon at all 42 UFC events annually and the 10 event Dana White's Contender Series. VeChain will also be promoted in venue at all UFC events, highlighted by the frequent dynamic branding on the UFC fight deck, the new pioneering LED deckling decking displays that are positioned around the octagon, and hence the spectacle of UFC events by incorporating thrilling lightning effects, graphic animations, video, and more. In addition, UFC and VeChain will collaborate on a variety of custom and original content featuring UFC talent and athletes that will be distributed across UFC's popular social media channels and digital platforms, reaching nearly 200 million followers worldwide. Among other branded activations, UFCs will also provide VeChain with unique access to UFC's state-of-the-art facilities, such as Performance Institute and Apex, to develop once-in-a-lifetime corporate activities and events. And UFC and VeChain will partner to create VIP sweepstakes promotions for fans to attend UFC's biggest events. UFC athletes will also benefit as the agreement provides for an annual brand ambassador fund that will offer significant paid marketing opportunities to participating UFC athletes. And it is saying about UFC. UFC is the world premier mixed martial art organization. Yes, that is and this is about VeChain, established in launched in 2015. So this was the news, and there's a Twitter post also by VeChain Foundation which says, "We are very excited to share that VeChain has become the partner of the UFC Global Marketing Partnership, and probably there is a match going this week or next week, and these are the participating athletes: Adesanya versus Pereira, Rodriguez versus Lemos, and countdown UFC 281 countdown, and Justin Amanda. Yeah, that's will be coming in a few days time. So that's all for today. So kindly like and subscribe if you like the video. Kindly always install antivirus and VPN on your computer, because if your PC is healthy, you will be happier, and if you are healthy, then everything is okay.